In 1946, the engineer, Mr. Erdmann, founded the company Erdmann. Erdmann's horizontal tempering systems for the processing of float glass are of high quality and excellent performance. They are manufactured under the brand name Vitromod. Tempered safety glass and heat-strengthened glass can be processed on these systems. Of course, coloured, coated and printed types of glass can be tempered too. European standard EN 12150 states that the fracture pattern of a tempered safety glass batch of 50 by 50 millimeters has to contain at least 40 pieces of glass. The Vitromod horizontal tempering system fulfills this standard without problem. Of course, the criteria of standard EN 1863 for heat-strengthened glass are also fulfilled. Vitromod systems can be used for various fields of application: architectural glass, automotive glass, furniture glass, glass for ships, as well as types of glass for offices and household devices can be tempered on these systems. Basically, the Vitromod horizontal tempering systems consist of the following main components: loading conveyor, furnace, tempering and cooling section, unloading conveyor. Glass batches are put on the loading conveyor. After the withdrawal of the operating personnel, the glass batches are transferred into the furnace. The drive system of the loading conveyor and all other conveyors is based on a solid, low-maintenance, tooth-belt transmission via robust asynchronous motors. After a glass batch has been transferred from the loading conveyor into the furnace, the glass oscillates in the furnace until the specific tempering temperature of the product has been reached. To calculate the total heating time, 40 seconds per millimeter of glass thickness can be taken as an average value. The low-maintenance bearing support of the ceramic furnace rollers allows the rollers to be easily removed for cleaning purposes. On reassembly of the ceramic furnace rollers, no adjustment or special tools are necessary. Thus, there's minimum downtime for periodical cleaning. The process parameters for the oscillating movement of a glass batch in the furnace can be optimized in the respective product recipe in order to reach optimal optic properties and flatness of the specific product. After the specific tempering temperature of a product has been reached, the glass batch is transferred through the tempering into the cooling section. When the glass batch passes the tempering section, the product gets its final properties, that is, regarding fracture pattern, flatness, and mechanical strength. The main factor of the tempering process is the creation of glass tension. This is done by a rapid cooling down of the glass surfaces, whereas the core of the glass batch cools down much more slowly. Thus, pressure is created at the glass surfaces, but there's tension in the inner part of the glass batch. Pressure and tension compensate each other. The air used to cool down the glass is compressed by the radial ventilators. On its way from the ventilator to the nozzles, the cooling air is accelerated to reach the speed which is needed for the tempering process. After the glass has been cooled to an acceptable handling temperature, it's transferred from the cooling section to the unloading conveyor, and the glass is now ready to be unloaded. Under standard production conditions, the design of the Vitromod system allows the continuous operation of all 4 system sections. That is, 4 glass batches are processed simultaneously in the different sections. It's Erdmann's intention to offer to their customers a product of highest profitability. To reach this ambitious target, Vitromod horizontal tempering systems consist of fully proved components of highest quality. Vitromod stands for modern technology plus maximum reliability.